Petrol or diesel? For decades, this debate has divided car lovers, truck owners, mechanics, and everyday drivers. Some people say diesel engines last forever. Others say petrol engines are faster, smoother, and more fun. But today, things are changing. Modern turbo petrol engines are becoming more efficient, while diesel engines are slowly disappearing from many markets. So the real question is, which engine is actually better? And why do companies still use diesel in trucks, but petrol in sports cars? Today, we'll break down everything: power, fuel economy, maintenance, reliability, sound, performance, and the future of both engines. Let's start with petrol engines. A petrol engine works using something called spark ignition. Here's the process. First, air and fuel enter the cylinder together. The piston compresses the mixture. Then a spark plug creates a spark. And boom! The fuel explodes, pushing the piston down and creating power. That cycle repeats thousands of times every minute. Petrol engines are designed to rev higher and deliver smoother acceleration. That's why most sports cars use petrol engines. Ferraris, Lamborghinis, Formula One cars all depend on high revving petrol power. And because petrol burns faster, the engine response feels quicker and more exciting. Diesel engines work differently. Instead of spark plugs, diesel engines use compression ignition. Air enters the cylinder first. Then the piston compresses the air so much that the temperature becomes extremely hot. At the perfect moment, diesel fuel is injected into that hot air. And it ignites automatically. No spark plug needed. Because diesel engines use much higher compression, they produce more torque. Torque is the pulling force that moves heavy loads. That's why trucks, buses, tractors, ships, and heavy machinery mostly use diesel engines. A diesel engine may not rev as high as petrol, but it delivers massive low-end power. This is where people get confused. Petrol engines usually make more horsepower. Diesel engines usually make more torque. Horsepower helps a car go fast at higher speeds. Torque helps a vehicle pull heavy weight and accelerate with force. That's why a diesel truck can pull massive trailers, while a petrol sports car dominates on a racetrack. Diesel engines feel stronger at lower RPMs. Petrol engines feel more exciting at higher RPMs. You can think of it like this: diesel engines are powerful workers. Petrol engines are fast athletes. Both are good, just for different purposes. One of diesel's biggest advantages is fuel efficiency. Diesel fuel contains more energy per liter than petrol, and diesel engines burn fuel more efficiently because of higher compression. That means better mileage, longer driving range, and lower fuel consumption. This is why long-distance drivers often prefer diesel cars. On highways, diesel vehicles can save a lot of money over time. But there's a catch. In many countries, diesel fuel has become more expensive, and modern diesel engines now require expensive emission systems. So while fuel economy is better, maintenance costs can sometimes cancel those savings. Diesel engines are famous for durability. Because they are built to handle high compression, their internal parts are usually stronger and heavier. Many diesel engines can run for hundreds of thousands of kilometers. That's why old diesel Toyotas, Mercedes, and trucks are legendary for reliability. But modern diesel engines are more complicated than before. Today's diesel vehicles use turbos, high-pressure injectors, DPF filters, and emission systems. And when these parts fail, repairs become expensive. Petrol engines are usually cheaper to maintain. They are simpler, quieter, and smoother. But petrol engines may wear faster under heavy use compared to diesel. Let's be honest. Sound matters. Petrol engines usually sound smoother and sportier, especially performance cars. The high RPM scream of a sports car is something diesel engines simply cannot replicate. Diesel engines sound rougher and louder. That classic diesel clatter comes from compression ignition. But modern diesel engines are much quieter than older ones. Still, if you love driving excitement, fast acceleration, and engine sound, petrol usually feels more emotional. Diesel focuses more on efficiency and strength. Now we come to the biggest reason diesel is declining: emissions. Diesel engines produce less CO2 compared to petrol. But they also produce more NOx gases and tiny particles called particulates. These pollutants became a huge global issue, especially after the famous Volkswagen emissions scandal, where millions of diesel cars were caught cheating emissions tests. After that, many governments introduced strict environmental laws. Some cities even started banning diesel vehicles entirely. Meanwhile, hybrid and electric vehicles began replacing both petrol and diesel in many markets. That's why today, many companies are slowly ending diesel passenger cars. So, which engine is right for you? Choose diesel if you drive long distances, want better mileage, need towing power, or use heavy vehicles regularly. Choose petrol if you mostly drive in cities, want lower maintenance costs, prefer smoother driving, or enjoy performance and speed. For most normal drivers today, petrol and hybrid cars make more sense. But for trucks, commercial transport, and heavy-duty work, diesel still dominates, and probably will for many years. There was a time when diesel engines were everywhere. In Europe especially, diesel cars became incredibly popular during the 1990s and early 2000s. Why? Because fuel prices were rising, and diesel offered amazing mileage. Companies like Mercedes, BMW, Audi, and Volkswagen built powerful diesel cars that could travel huge distances on a single tank. Some diesel engines became legendary. Cars like the Mercedes W123, Toyota Helix, and old diesel Land Cruisers earned a reputation for surviving almost anything. People trusted diesel because it was simple, strong, and built to last. But diesel didn't just dominate cars. It powered the global economy. Almost every major truck on highways uses diesel. Massive ships crossing oceans, construction equipment, tractors, generators, all depend on diesel engines. Even today, the world still runs heavily on diesel power. And there's a reason for that. Electric vehicles are great for small passenger cars. But replacing heavy-duty diesel machines is much harder. A fully loaded truck needs enormous torque and long driving range. That's where diesel still wins. In fact, many experts believe diesel engines will continue dominating commercial transport for decades. But passenger cars are a different story. Governments now want cleaner transportation. Hybrid cars are becoming more common, and electric vehicles are improving every year. So while diesel may slowly disappear from normal cars, its role in heavy industry is far from over. The diesel engine may be old, but it's still one of the most important inventions in automotive history. Petrol engines brought speed and excitement. Diesel engines brought strength and efficiency. Both changed the automotive world forever. But as electric vehicles rise, the battle between petrol and diesel may slowly become history. So now tell us, which engine would you choose, petrol or diesel? Comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automotive videos.